Today we're going to make an indulgent, plant-based, creamy potato salad. This is perfect for barbecues, picnics, kitchen parties, or even if you just fancy a really tasty side dish. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you 2 ways you can mix up this salad by just doing a couple of simple things. Now, the length of time you need to boil these will depend on your potato, so check your packet for instructions. Just drain the potatoes. As you can see, they're still hot, and this is the perfect time to add the oil, mustard and vinegar mix. And what we're going to do is we're just going to coat the potatoes in it and then leave them to cool. And this is just going to add so much flavour to this dish. The potatoes have now cooled down, and all we have to do is assemble the salad. First thing I'm going to do is to add the lemon juice to the mayonnaise and just give it a bit of a mix. So I've got my pickles, gherkins, I'm just going to add those. You want to have a little bit of pickle gherkin in every bite, and that will make it taste delicious. I'm going to add the chopped celery, also chopped very finely for the same reason. Here I've got the spring onions, and we're going to add 2/3 of the spring onions, and we're just going to save some of them for the top at the end. And the same with the fresh parsley and dill and any other herbs that you want to add. So we're just going to save some for the top. Okay, and now we're ready to add the mayonnaise. I have to say, this already smells so good. Now let's see if I can mix this without it going everywhere. There'll be a first time for it, I'm sure. Some salt and pepper. Then I'm just going to mix it up. Well, doesn't that look good? But let's see what it tastes like. Sorry, that was a big bit of potato. This salad has that wonderful mustard flavour, lemon juice, fresh herbs that kind of elevate it. And it's got the crunch of the celery and then the tanginess of the pickles, gherkins, and it just tastes absolutely delicious. So here are the 2 ways I spoke about at the beginning to switch up this recipe. So the first is adding whole grain mustard instead of Dijon mustard. And the second is adding some very finely chopped radish instead of spring onions.